Today we're heading to Buffalo, New York, home of one of the most unforgettable comfort food dishes ever featured on diners, drive-ins, and dives. At Grover's Bar and Grill, featured on Season 7, Episode 2, Guy Fieri discovered a dish that completely surprised him. It wasn't a burger, it wasn't a cheeseburger, it was something in between. Their famous cheeseburger soup. After one bite, Guy described it as tasting exactly like a cheeseburger in a bowl. Loaded with beef, cheese, onions, lettuce, tomatoes, and all the flavors of a classic burger, it became one of the restaurant's signature dishes and one of the most talked about comfort foods from the episode. Now the restaurant version is made on the stovetop with a few restaurant tricks. We're taking the Greasy Spoon Crock-Pot Showdown approach. Same inspiration, same big cheeseburger flavor, less work, more couch time. And that's a trade we're willing to make. For this crock-pot version, you'll need 2 pounds of lean ground beef, 1 large yellow onion diced, 4 tablespoons butter, 4 cups chicken broth, 2 teaspoons chicken base or bouillon, 4 cups half and half, 1 pound Velveeta cheese cube, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 medium tomatoes diced, 2 cups shredded iceberg lettuce, and 3 tablespoons flour mixed with 3 tablespoons water for thickening. This recipe will comfortably feed 8 hungry people. Start by browning the ground beef in a skillet. The restaurant uses a flat-top grill to get that classic burger flavor, so don't skip this step. Once the beef is browned, drain it and transfer it to your crock pot. In the same pan, melt the butter and cook the onions for about 5 minutes until they become soft and translucent. Add those onions right into the crock pot with the beef. Next, pour in the chicken broth and stir in the chicken base. Add the mustard, black pepper, and salt. Stir everything together and cover. Cook on low for about 3 hours. During this time, the flavors start blending together and the beef absorbs that rich broth. After 3 hours, add the half and half, Velveeta, and shredded cheddar cheese. Stir well, cover again, and continue cooking on low for another hour. The cheese slowly melts into the broth, creating that creamy cheeseburger flavor Guy Fieri couldn't stop talking about. About 30 minutes before serving, stir in the flour slurry. This thickens the soup and gives it that rich restaurant-style texture. Once the soup has thickened, add the diced tomatoes and shredded lettuce. Yes, lettuce. Guy was skeptical too. But just like at Grover's, the lettuce adds that authentic cheeseburger experience right in the bowl. Give everything one final stir and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. When you lift the lid, you'll understand why this dish became famous. The soup is rich, creamy, cheesy, loaded with beef, and somehow tastes exactly like a cheeseburger without the bun. Every spoonful delivers melted cheese, seasoned beef, sweet onions, fresh tomatoes, and that surprising crunch from the lettuce. Now, is it exactly the same as the legendary cheeseburger soup Guy Fieri devoured at Grover's Bar and Grill in Buffalo? Of course not. Their version is made in a busy restaurant kitchen with years of experience behind it. But this crock-pot version captures the same comforting cheeseburger flavor with a fraction of the effort. This crock-pot version of the legendary cheeseburger soup Guy Fieri devoured at Grover's Bar and Grill in Buffalo captures the same comforting cheeseburger flavor with a fraction of the effort. One quick reminder. Some crock-pots seem to have a personal grudge against recipes. Keep an eye on your soup and adjust cooking times if needed. The Greasy Spoon Crock-Pot Showdown is all about restaurant inspiration, regular kitchen, minimum stress, maximum payoff.